Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 9 of chapter number 3, playing with numbers. In this session we are going to learn about lowest common multiple, that is LCM. So let us start with the definition. The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest of all their common multiples. सो जितने भी कॉमन मल्टीपल्स है उसमें से सबसे जो छोटा है, जो स्मॉलेस्ट है, दैट इज द LCM. Okay, so now we are moving towards the methods to find LCM. So there are three methods to find LCM. We will see one by one. So first method is listing of multiples method. This is the first method and we'll start with this example. And the second method is prime factorization method. This is very important method and very useful also. In class 10th also you have to use this method. And the last one is common division method. So this also we'll see. So we'll start with the first method, that is listing of multiples method. Okay, so what steps you have to follow in this one? So step number 1, we have to list the all the multiples of each of the given number. This is the step number 1. List the multiples of each of the given numbers. Now out of those multiples we have to find the least multiple which is common to all the lists, and that is the required LCM. So this is the method which is useful for small numbers. ठीक है, बड़े numbers के लिए useful नहीं है. So let us see one example. Find the LCM of the 12 numbers 12 and 15. So what are the multiples of 12? 1 minute. Geetam, multiples of 12.
Sir, 12 into 1, 12, 12 into 2, 24, 12 into 3, 12
36.
into 3, 36, 12 into 4, 48, 12 into 5, 60, 12 into 6,
72.
32.
Okay, no need to write 12 into 1, 12 into 2. You can directly list the numbers. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, so on. So these are the multiples of 12. Similarly, multiples of 15. Muthu Prabha,
Yes, sir.
multiples of 15.
15,
Yes.
30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135.
Okay, very good. So on. ठीक है. Now हमने लिस्ट लिख लिया है, multiples of 12 also and 15 also. Now we have to find out the common multiples. Now first common multiple among this is 60 and 120. Okay, so first two common multiples in the two lists are 60 and 120. Now which is the smallest one?
60.
60, right. The lowest or the least among them is 60. So therefore the LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. And we also write in this notation also. ठीक है, इस notation में भी हम लोग लिखते हैं LCM of 12 15 is equals to 60. So this is the first example. Now we'll see one more example. Find the LCM of the numbers 4, 6 and 12. Three numbers हैं. So first we will write the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, so on. So these are the multiples of 44. किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, so on. Multiples of 12. Already we have seen just now. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, so on. Now we have to identify the common multiples among these two. Three. So first common multiple is 12 and the second one is 24 and the third one is 36. Okay, multiples, common multiples is if you will find it, it will be infinite. But यहाँ पे हमने जो list लिखा है उसमें 3 है, right? So first three common multiples in the two lists are 12, 24 and 36. Now, which is the smallest one among this?
12.
12, right. So therefore the LCM of 4, 6 and 12 is 12, and we can write in this way also. LCM of 4, 6, 12 is 12, right? So this is the first method, right? First method is listing of multiples method. Now we are moving toward the second method, which is very very important for even for class 10th also. It will be going to repeat in class 10th. Prime factorization method. So what we will do with step number 1, we will write the prime factorization of each of the given number. That is the first step. Second step, we will find out the we will find out the different prime factors involved. Just say 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, and we will find the product of each prime factors with the maximum number of times it occurs. Right? That product is the required prime factorization of that particular number, LCM of that particular number. So I will explain with the help of example. Find the LCM of 18, 20, 24. So what we will find first, we will find the prime factorization of 18. So divided by 2, 9, you can give the answer. Divided by 3, 3, right. Now 2 into 3 into 3 we got. Similarly, we have to find the prime factorization of 20. Divided by 2, 10. Divided by 2,
5.
5. So these are the prime factorization of 20. 2 into 2 into 5. Now 24. 24 divided by 2,
12.
12. Very good. Divided by 2 again,
6.
6. Again divided by 2, 3. Stop. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So by prime factorization, we have 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3, and 20 is equals to 2 into 2 into 5, and 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Right? Now we have to identify, पहले तो हमको ये identify करना कि कितने सारे different prime factors involve हो रहे हैं. How many different prime factors are involved in these three numbers? So एक 2 है और 3 है और 5 है. So 2 maximum times किस number पे है? किस number में है? In which number 2 occurs maximum? Yes, 3.
24.
2 occurs maximum 3 times in 24, and 3 occurs maximum in which number? 18.
Sir,
2 times. 2 times. And 5 occur only 1 time in this number. Right? So we'll get this number. Now these are the numbers which occurs maximum time. So we have to find the product. This is the second step. We have to find the product of these numbers, and that is the required LCM. So LCM of 18, 20 and 24 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now see, how will you multiply? 2 into 5 is 10. 4 into 9 is 36. 36 into 10 is 360. So this is the required LCM of these three numbers. Okay. Now we are moving towards one more example. Next question, find the LCM of 8, 12 and 18 by prime factorization method. So what we will do, we will find the prime factorization of 8 first. 8. First you divide it by 2. You will get 4. Again divided by 2. 2. Now 12 we will find first divided by 2. 6. Divided by 2. 3. Again we have to find the prime factorization of 18. So divided by 2 first. 9. Again we have to divide it by 3. 3. Right. So first we will got 8, 2 into 2 into 2, and 12 we got 2 into 2 into 3, and 18 we got 2 into 3 into 3. Now the different types of prime factors are only 2 and 3. So we have to identify 2 repeated maximum times in which number? 8. 3 times, right? And 3 repeated maximum times in which number? 18. That is 2 times, right? So maximum number of times of 2 and 3 appears are 3 and 2. So now what we have to do, we have to find the product of these underlying numbers. That is the required LCM, right? So see, this is 8 and this is 9. So 8 into 9, 72, right? Very good. So this is the required answer. Now we are moving towards one more example. Find the LCM of 36, 75 and 80 by prime factorization method. So what we have to find? First, prime factorization. So चलो start करते हैं 36 से. We'll start with 36 divided by 2, 18. Right. Divided by 2 again, 9. So divided by 3, 3. Stop. So this is 36. Now we'll find the 75 number. 75 first we have to divide it by 3. So if you divide it by 3, 25, right? So again 25 we have to divide it by 5. So we'll get 5 only. Fine. Now 80. So 80 first you have to divide it by 2. You will get 40. Again divided by 2, 20. Again divided by 2, 10. Again divided by 2, 5. Stop. Right. So the prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And the prime factorization of 75 is 3 into 5 into 5. And the prime factorization of 80 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now there are 3 different prime factors involved here, 2, 3 and 5. So 2 repeated maximum number of times in which number? 80. 4 times in 80. And 3?
36.
Right, 2 times in 36. And 5?
75.
2 times in 75. Now the maximum number of times repeated, 2 repeated 4 times, 3 repeated 2 times, 5 also repeated 2 times. The product of these underlying numbers, these maximum numbers, is the required LCM. Now we have to do the multiplication. कैसे करेंगे देखो, 2 into 5 is 10. Again 2 into 5 is 10. 100 हो जाएगा दोनों, right? 4 into 9, 36. 4 into 9, 36. Into 10, into 10. 3,000? Yes, very good. 3,600. Right. So now one more example we will say. Find the LCM of 96, 108 and 180 by prime factorization method. So first we will find the prime factorization of 96. Right. So let us start with the 96 divided by 2. 48. Again divided by 2. 24. Again divided by 2.
12.
Okay. Again divided by 2.
6.
6. Again divided by 2.
3.
3. Right. So we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2 into 3. Okay. Now 108 we are going to find. See carefully. First we have to divide it by 2, the smallest prime number. 54. Again divided by 2. 27. Okay. Again divided by 3. 9. Right. Again divided by 3. 3. Right. Fine. हो गया. Now 180. So we'll do here 180. यहाँ पे कर लेते हैं 180. So 180 first you divided by 2, you will get 90. Again divided by 2, 45. Again divided by 3, you will get 15, right?
That's 9.
Again divided by 3, you will get 5. Okay. Okay, so we got this prime factorization. I told you that you can stop at 3. You can stop at 3 for this one also. You can stop at 5 this one also. Okay, fine. So 96 we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 108 we got 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And 180 we got 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Right. Now 2, 3 and 5 are there here. 2 occurs maximum times in which number?
96.
Yes, 96 occurs maximum 5 times. Now 3 occurs maximum how many times in which number?
Sir, 108.
108. Okay, 3 times and in 108. Right. And 5 occurs maximum times only 1.
180.
Yes, in 180.
180.
So the LCM of 96, 108 and 180 is the product of all these numbers, right? Means 2 occurs maximum 5 times and 3 occurs maximum 3 times and 5 occur maximum 1 time. Up now, how will you multiply this two? See carefully. First I will multiply 2 into 5, 10. Okay, and this is 16 and this one is 27. So 27 into 16 you have to find and you will get 432. So 432 into 10 is 4320. So this is the required answer. Okay, now we are moving towards the next method, that is common division method, that is also known as short division method. Okay, so how what steps you have to follow, just try to understand clearly. Step number 1, what we have to do, we have to divide a prime number which is common divisor of at least 2 of the given numbers and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. Suppose if we are going to divide it by 2, the number which is not divisible by 2, the same number we will carry forward in the next step. Okay, and the step number 2, repeat step 1 with the quotient and undivided numbers and continue the process until two numbers have any common divisor. Finally find the prime product of all of the divisors and the final quotients. चलो एक एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं first. Now we are going to see one example. Find the LCM of 15, 14 and 24. See, 14 and 24 both are divisible by 2. So first we will divide it by 2. राइट 15, 14, 24 को हम लोग 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो नंबर जो है वो 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. Divide by 2, since 2 divides 14 and 24 and carry forward 15. You have to carry forward 15 with the quotient. Why? Because 15 is not divisible by 2. ध्यान से देखो, हम लोग नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 15 को कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेंगे because 15 is not divisible by 2 and this is 7 and this will become 12. This first step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now see, 15 and 12 are divisible by 3. 15 and 12 are divisible by 3. So we are going to divide by 3. So what you will get here? 5 and 7 is not divisible by 3. So we will carry forward as it is. 12 divided by 3 is 4. See, the next prime number which divides at least 2 of 15, 7, 12 was 3. इसलिए हम लोग 3 से divide किए थे. So we got 5, 7, 4. Now in this, no two of the numbers 5, 7, 4 have a common divisor. So we'll stop here only. Okay. We will stop here. Now we will multiply all the divisor and the quotients. Okay. अगर इसमें अगर कोई बुक में ऐसा भी दे सकता है, don't confuse. They may divide 4 by 2. 5, 7, 2. So this is also not wrong. But rules say that if no two of the numbers have a common divisor, then stop. Okay. So we will multiply 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 4 and that is the required LCM. तो देखो इसको कैसे multiply करेंगे. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 4 is 12. Into 7, 12 into 7 is 84. So we'll get 840. So this is the final answer. So now we are moving towards one more example. एक और example देख लेते हैं. find the LCM of 12, 16 and 40 by division method. Okay, so see, all these three numbers are divisible by 2. So we will take first divisor 2. चलो divide करते हैं. So here we will get 6, here we'll get 8, here we'll get 20. Okay, now again 6, 8, 20, all these three numbers are divisible by 2. So we are going to divide it by 2. So 3, 4 and 10. Again this 4 and 10 are divisible by 2. So दो नंबर यहाँ पे 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक 2 अगेन. Okay, 3, because 3 is not divisible by 2, we have to carry forward. 2, 5. अब यहाँ पे तीनों नंबर में कोई भी कॉमन डिवाइजर नहीं है. There is no common divisor in these three numbers 3, 2, 5. So we'll stop. Okay, so now the LCM is the product of all these divisor and the quotients, whatever you got here. So LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. So here also you have to multiply like that only. 2 into 5 10 hota hai, and 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 8 into 3 is 24. So final, how much we are getting? 240. Okay, right. So now we are moving toward the last question, second last question. Find the LCM of 18, 24, 36 and 45 by using long division method, right? So see, 18, 24 and 36, these three numbers are divisible by 2. So we are going to divide it by 2 first. So what we are getting here? 9, यहाँ पे 12, here 18, now here 45. Same number we will carry forward. Why? Because 45 is not divisible by 2, right? Okay, now see, 12 and 18, these two numbers are divisible by 2. So we are going to divide it by 2 again. So 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will carry forward as it is. So 6 and here 9, here 45, because 45 is not divisible by 2, right? Now here all these four numbers are divisible by 3. So the next number we are going to divide these numbers by 3 is by 3's. So we'll get 3, 2, 3, 15, right? So here also 3, 3, 15 are divisible by 3. So next divisor we will take 3. Okay, so we'll get 1, 2, 1, 5. अब यहाँ पर कोई भी दो यहाँ पे कॉमन नहीं है. No two numbers have common divisor. So we'll stop here. So now the LCM of these numbers are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Okay. So यहाँ पर भी कैसे multiply करेंगे? 2 into 5 is 10 and this is 6 into 6, 36. So 36 into 10 is 360, right? Okay, so now we are moving toward the last question. Find the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. Now see, 48, 72 and 108, all these three numbers are divisible by 2. So we'll divide it by 2 first. So what you will get, see, 24, 36 and 54. Again all these three numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, so 2 से divide हो रहा है, 3 से भी divide हो रहा है, 3 बाद में लेंगे. So 2 first ले रहे हैं हम लोग. So we'll get 12, 18 and next number is 27. Okay, again these two numbers are divisible by 2. So we are going to take 2 once again, right? So we'll get 6 here.
9.
Okay, and we'll get 9 here.
27.
Right, 27. राइट। अब यहाँ पर क्योंकि यहाँ 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो हम लोग यहाँ पे और तीनों नंबर यहाँ से 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है। 6 is also divisible by 3, 9 is also divisible by 3 and 27 is also divisible by 3. So what we will do, we will divide all by 3. Okay, सभी को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे हम लोग. So what you will get? 2, 3, 9. Right. Again these two numbers are divisible by 3. So we will again take divisor 3. Okay, 2, 1, 3. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. राइट। अच्छा, अब इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम ये है कि एक बुक में क्या दिया हुआ है कि यहाँ पर अगेन 2 ले लिया है। सो आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट डोंट कंफ्यूज इफ 2 विल टेक वंस अगेन हियर, क्योंकि यहाँ का 2 यहाँ पे यूज कर लिया है। ठीक है, उसको मैं करके दिखला रहा हूँ, देखो ध्यान से ऐसे। सो वी गॉट 3 हियर, 9, 27. Again divide all by 3. So you will get 1, 3, 9. Again two numbers are divisible by 3. So divided by 3. So you will get 1, 1, 3. So same thing you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So that is the required LCM. अभी इसको कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देखो ध्यान से। 6, 6, 6. So 6 into 6 is 36. 36 into 6 is 216 into 2. 216 into 2. So that is equals to 432. Okay. So this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving towards assignment. See, first assignment you have to find the LCM by listing the multiples. Second question by prime factorization method, and the third question by division method. Okay, these 3 questions I will post through Google Classroom. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.